Dear friends, I'm a specialist in natural health and skincare. During a recent talk, I met a mother and daughter who truly left a deep impression on me. The mother was over 60, yet her skin looked smooth and radiant, as if she were only in her 20s. Every time the two appeared together at the market or at a gathering, people couldn't help but exclaim, "Wow, are you sure you're mother and daughter? You look like sisters." Some even joked, maybe the mother's keeping a secret beauty formula from her daughter-in-law. She just smiled gently and said, "The secret isn't hidden in any luxury spa or expensive cream. It's simply a natural recipe from my own kitchen and one golden rule I always follow in my daily eating and living habits." That humble sharing truly earned my admiration. And today, LiveWell Everyday * would like to pass on this secret to you. A natural beauty method that nourishes the skin both outside and within, helping it stay smooth, glowing, and youthful over the years. Remember, at the end of this video, I'll reveal the golden rule to keep your skin forever young. So don't look away. Now, let's get started, my friends. To make this formula, the first ingredient is *1 egg white. Eggs are a familiar food in every kitchen, but few people realize that the white part holds a treasure of nutrients for the skin. Since ancient times, Vietnamese women have shared the secret of using egg whites to tighten the skin, control oil, and maintain a naturally radiant complexion. Modern science has confirmed that egg whites are rich in *albumin protein and natural amino acids, which help stimulate the regeneration of new skin cells and increase skin elasticity. When applied to the face, this layer of protein forms a natural thin film that gently lifts the skin, tightens pores, and removes excess oil and accumulated dirt. As a result, after just a few uses, the skin becomes noticeably smoother, firmer, and more luminous. Not only that, egg whites also contain vitamin B2, riboflavin, and vitamin B3, niacinamide, two precious antioxidants that promote cell renewal, reduce inflammation, and regulate sebum production. This makes them especially beneficial for oily or acne-prone skin. Vitamin B2 helps fade dark spots, while vitamin B3 gradually evens out the skin tone and enhances its natural brightness. Next comes pure honey, a sweet gift from nature that not only enhances beauty but also strengthens the skin from within. Honey isn't just good for your overall health, it's been a miracle ingredient for skincare, trusted by Asian women for hundreds of years. What makes honey so special is its rich composition of over *180 bioactive compounds, including enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. Among them, an important enzyme called glucose oxidase gently produces hydrogen peroxide, providing mild antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects that are safe and soothing for the skin. Thanks to this property, honey helps cleanse the skin gently while preventing acne, blackheads, and whiteheads. Additionally, honey is packed with B vitamins, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which neutralize free radicals, slow down skin cell aging, and keep the skin soft and elastic. Its natural moisture penetrates deep into the epidermis, allowing the skin to retain hydration without feeling sticky or greasy. For those with dry or flaky skin, or who are often exposed to sunlight, mixing a bit of honey with fresh milk can make the skin soft again, as if it's being replenished with water from within. In traditional Eastern medicine, honey is considered a precious ingredient that nourishes yin energy, cools the blood, and helps damaged skin recover faster. When combined with egg whites, honey acts as a natural binder, keeping the mask from hardening and maintaining moisture so that your skin feels smooth, hydrated, and radiant after rinsing. The asterisk final ingredient asterisk is asterisk unsweetened fresh milk, an excellent source of nutrients for both the body and the skin. Fresh milk contains asterisk lactic acid, a natural asterisk AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, asterisk that gently exfoliates dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, more even complexion while improving nutrient absorption. It's also rich in asterisk protein, calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and zinc, which strengthen the skin barrier, lock in moisture, and reduce dryness. When mixed with egg white and honey, fresh milk makes the blend smoother and easier to apply, while calming the skin and balancing its natural pH. The best part is that fresh milk suits almost every skin type, from normal and dry to sensitive skin. However, it's important to choose asterisk pasteurized, unsweetened, and fragrance-free milk asterisk to ensure absolute safety when applying it to your face. When these three ingredients blend together, they don't just combine their benefits, they actually asterisk enhance each other, creating a special synergistic effect. The asterisk egg white asterisk works to cleanse and lift the skin, clearing pores and preparing it to absorb nutrients. Honey asterisk deeply moisturizes, soothes irritation, and fights bacteria, keeping the skin hydrated and supple. Fresh milk asterisk balances, softens, brightens, and helps restore skin cells after deep cleansing. When united, these three ingredients go beyond simple cleansing, moisturizing, and repairing. They asterisk rejuvenate the skin from within. Each component performs its role perfectly, amplifying the others, leaving your complexion firm, radiant, elastic, and naturally youthful. The method is very simple. Just mix asterisk 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened fresh milk, and asterisk a few drops of pure honey asterisk in a small bowl. Stir until the mixture blends evenly and becomes slightly thick. Then, cleanse your face thoroughly. Soak a sheet mask or cotton pad in the mixture and apply it evenly to your skin for about asterisk 15 to 20 minutes. While the mask dries, you'll feel it gently tightening. This is a sign that the nutrients are penetrating deep into your skin, helping to tone and firm it. Once the mask dries, rinse your face with cool water. Gently pat dry with a soft towel, and apply a thin layer of moisturizer to lock in hydration. If you're doing this in the daytime, remember to apply sunscreen asterisk 20 minutes before going outside, since freshly cleansed skin is more sensitive to UV rays. Use this mask asterisk only once or twice a week, as overuse may cause mild dryness due to the strong cleansing effect of egg whites. For those with sensitive skin, test the mixture on your wrist or behind your ear first. If there's no burning or itching sensation, it's safe to use. Avoid applying it over open wounds or inflamed acne, and never leave the mask on overnight. The best time to apply it is asterisk in the evening, when your skin is clean and your body is relaxed. With consistent use and proper care, you'll begin to notice visible results within just a few weeks. Your skin will look brighter, firmer, smoother, and even dark spots or freckles will gradually fade. This is a asterisk safe, effective, affordable, and sustainable beauty secret asterisk. No expensive cosmetics, no harsh chemicals, just simple kitchen ingredients that help your skin stay naturally healthy and glowing every day. A simple formula, yet filled with the wisdom of nature. A wonderful gift from LiveWell Everyday asterisk to remind you that asterisk caring for yourself doesn't have to be complicated. With patience and the right habits, your skin will soon whisper its own asterisk, thank you. Sparkling heart. Dear friends, if skincare products and facial masks are like a protective shield, then your asterisk daily eating and lifestyle habits asterisk are the hidden foundation that truly determines the health of your skin. Taking care of your skin from the outside is only half the story. The other half comes from asterisk what you eat, what you drink, and how you live each day. Let's start with asterisk water asterisk. something that sounds simple but is often forgotten. Each person needs about ** 1.5 to 2 liters of water a day, depending on body weight and activity level. When your body is well hydrated, toxins are flushed out more easily, your liver stays cool, blood circulation improves, and your skin cells are watered, becoming plumper, smoother, and more elastic. On the other hand, dehydration can make the skin dull, rough, and prone to wrinkles much sooner. It's best to drink small amounts throughout the day, and choose * warm water * to support better absorption. This not only helps your digestion but also gently nourishes your skin from the inside out. Herb. Next, let's talk about the * plate in front of you. To regenerate new skin cells, your body needs the right building blocks: protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each meal should be colorful. * deep green vegetables like * spinach, collard greens, or broccoli * provide fiber and antioxidants. * a touch of * red and orange * from * carrots, pumpkins, bell peppers, or tomatoes * brings beta-carotene and lycopene. * add a good source of * lean protein * such as * salmon, eggs, soybeans, or chicken breast. To give your body the bricks it needs to build natural collagen. Don't forget foods that help * boost collagen production * like fish skin, chicken feet, chia seeds, soybeans, avocados, and eggs, or supplement with * hydrolyzed collagen powder * if necessary. For women over 40, soy * is a valuable ally because * isoflavones * help balance hormones, reduce dryness, and slow down skin sagging. On top of this foundation, the duo * vitamin C and vitamin E * acts like two helping hands that lift and protect your skin every day. Vitamin C, found in * oranges, guavas, lemons, and kiwis, not only brightens the skin but also promotes collagen synthesis and neutralizes free radicals, the main culprits behind premature aging. Meanwhile, vitamin E, found in * sunflower seeds, almonds, and avocados, acts like a soft jacket for your skin, locking in moisture, soothing irritation, and keeping your complexion naturally smooth. When these two nutrients work together in your diet, your skin is nourished from the roots, and it shows, glowing beautifully on the outside. Sparkles. Of course, living healthily sometimes simply means knowing when to say ***, no, ***. Sugar and fried foods are two of the biggest culprits that tire out your skin. Excess sugar causes * glycation, a process where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers, making them stiff and weak, leading to wrinkles much earlier than expected. Reused cooking oil produces * oxidative compounds * that trigger inflammation and make the skin look dull and fatigued. Instead, by switching to steaming, boiling, or light stir-frying with a touch of olive oil, you allow your skin to breathe easier and stay lighter every day. Next comes * sleep *, the body's natural self-repair clock that many people overlook. Nighttime is when your body quietly heals and your skin regenerates. When you sleep a full * 7 hours, collagen is produced more efficiently, and by morning your skin naturally appears more radiant, firm, and elastic. But staying up past * 11 p.m. * disrupts your biological rhythm, causing dryness, dullness, and visible fatigue. Try going to bed just 10 to 15 minutes earlier each night, with consistency. Your skin will surely thank you. Finally, let's talk about * the peace within. The saying, "A calm mind brings a glowing face," isn't just poetic, it's scientific. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, throwing oil glands off balance, slowing blood flow, and accelerating wrinkles and dullness. But when you genuinely smile, Your body releases endorphins, the happiness hormones that boost circulation, deliver oxygen and nutrients to every skin cell, and make your complexion naturally rosy and bright. A single sincere smile each day is like a free bottle of serum, with the most lasting effect of all. After all these tips, I still believe that beautiful skin comes down to 3 simple rules. Keep your skin clean, keep your body cool, and keep your mind calm. Keeping the skin clean means washing your face every evening, even if you don't wear makeup, and using gentle cleansing. In the morning, rinse with warm water followed by cool water to refresh and prepare the skin for nourishment. Keeping the body cool means helping your liver rest. A warm cup of boy leaf tea, a glass of artichoke water, or simply a few boiled perilla leaves with lemon. These gentle, traditional drinks purify the blood and gradually brighten the complexion. And don't forget your invisible morning shield sunscreen. Even on cloudy days or short trips to the market, UV rays pass through clouds and glass without warning. Applying sunscreen daily, along with gentle cleansing and proper moisturizing, forms the 3 essential steps that protect your skin and help it stay youthful longer. You see, my friends, skincare doesn't have to be complicated. All it takes is patience and consistency. Caring for your skin with kind natural ingredients. Nourishing your body with clean water, wholesome food, and deep sleep, and nurturing your mind with simple daily peace. That way, while age increases, your skin can still remain bright, smooth, and full of vitality. A beautiful complexion doesn't come from cosmetics alone, it comes from how you live, how you eat, and how you think. If you'd like live well everyday to share more natural rejuvenation recipes, leave me a comment below to let me know what you're most interested in. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel so that together, each day, we can grow healthier, younger, and more at peace. Wishing you abundant health and a radiant glow, just like your smile today. Herb Sparkling Heart.